Hello everyone. Now you see in my hand, this is the magnetic flat 5-pin to micro USB port charging cable. See, and wherever you go, it is easy to take and carry. And the gold plated copper contacts will provide maximum conductivity and minimize data loss, and low electric resistance ensures efficiency and high quality. So no mess and easy to be organized, right? And the anti-oxidation will lead to durable and reliable use. So you can go to the website in the description of this video below to get more infos. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching.